Hello student, this video is made for you to understand how you actually do the exercise 401, 402, and 403 as your homework. And here is the assist. Yeah, question 1. For the marked angle in each triangle, name the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent sides. So, now you are given this angle. Yep. So, according to this angle, the side right next to it, it is adjacent, and the directly opposite to this angle is opposite side, and the longest side is called hypotenuse. And now next question, your angle is given as this, and now we just gotta name it. The side right next to this angle here is called adjacent, and the side that is right opposite to this angle is called opposite side. And the longest side here, SR, is equal to hypotenuse. So, yeah, that's it about the question 1. And now question 2. For triangle LKN, name the angle opposite the hypotenuse. So, opposite the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given by LN here. And that is right opposite to K. So, angle LKM. And now, let's have a look at the C. Opposite side LK. LK is given by here. So the opposite angle is to M. So we name it as angle LMK. That's it about for question 2. Now question 3. Which one of these statements is false about triangle TSU? TSU here. Now, I'll just have a look at the question 1. A. The adjacent side to S, angle S, is TS, is US. So, angle here is right next to side US. So, this is adjacent for sure. So, this is true. So, to find out the false, just try to locate the angle and the size accordingly, and you may end up finding the answer. Okay, now next exercise. Exercise 402. Now each marked angle, find the sine, cosine, tangent, and ratios. Okay, this is question for you to find out the trigonometric ratio. So theta here is given. Now cos or sine theta, cosine theta, and tan theta. This is what you need to find out. Remember, you got so, ka, toa, which is sine theta is equal to opposite of a hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent of a hypotenuse, and tangent theta is equal to opposite of adjacent. So now we just gotta locate which one is adjacent, hypotenuse, or opposite side. So this is the angle we given. So the side that is right opposite to here, this is the opposite. And right next to it, this is adjacent. And the longest side here, this is hypotenuse. So now we are given here sine theta is equal to O over H, and opposite of a hypotenuse. So it's gotta be opposite is 55, and hypotenuse is 73. Cos theta, adjacent of a hypotenuse. Adjacent is given by 48 over hypotenuse, that is 73. Now tan theta. Tan theta is given by opposite over adjacent. Opposite is given by 55, adjacent is 48. So this is your answer. Do the same thing for D. Just locate which side is opposite, hypotenuse, or adjacent. This angle is called alpha, and the side directly opposite to alpha is N. This is up. And right next to the alpha is M, that is adjacent. And the longest side here, K, is hypotenuse. So you can come up with sine alpha, cos alpha, and tan alpha. So, toa. So, toa. So sine alpha is opposite of a hypotenuse. That is, opposite is N, hypotenuse is K, and then cos. Adjacent of a hypotenuse, adjacent is M, hypotenuse is given by K, and tangent is opposite of a adjacent, that is N over M. This is it. This is answer for you. Now, for question 2, for triangle below, find cos x. So x is the focus angle we are looking at, and cos is, I'll just write it. So ka, so ka toa. Sine, cosine theta is adjacent of a hypotenuse. So just locate which is hypotenuse, adjacent, or opposite. So for cosine x, we just looking at these x as an angle, and the side right next to it, this should be adjacent to x, and hypotenuse is always the longest side, which is 5. So cos x will be given by 4 over 5. This is how you find out the answer. Now, next one. Complete each statement below the correct angle. Now, sine. The angle is the things that we have to find out. Let's have a look at the side. IJ here, and the HJ here. So it's sine. IJ, sine is so, opposite of a hypotenuse. So it's gotta be, this one is opposite and this is hypotenuse, because hypotenuse is given by the longest side. To make IJ as opposite side, the angle must be selected by alpha. So alpha is the answer. Now, next question. Exercise 4.5, finding an unknown side. Now, this is quite easy. Now, for the triangle, which trigonometric ratio is equal to AB? AB, okay, A over B. According to the angle given, A is opposite, and B is adjacent. So A is up over adjacent, and according to the trig ratio, so ka toa, toa is the one opposite of adjacent. So AB is equal to tan theta. Now here, A over B. Question D, A over B. What is this? A is right next to, right opposite to the theta. This is up, and B is the longest side, height. So A is up over B is height. Opposite of a hypotenuse, that is this. So this is equal to sine theta. Now, the last bit of this video. Find the value of pronumeral in each triangle cut to 2 decimal places. To find out the side, we have to locate which side is hypotenuse, opposite, or adjacent. Now, according to this angle, the side that is right opposite to is x, which is up, and the longest side is hypotenuse. So we are given up and hypotenuse. We have to decide which trig is right trig for this. Up and hypotenuse, I think it's so sine 36, because now angle is 36, and opposite of a hypotenuse x over 47. Now we have to make x the subject, so we multiply 47 both sides. So x now is equal to 47 multiplied by sine 36 degree. And as you can type this into your calculator, you'll get the answer. Now, same thing here. We just got to locate which side is which first. According to the angle given here, K is right opposite, so this is up. And this is the longest side you have. So we have opposite and hypotenuse. That is, so sine 62.3 degree is equal to opposite, which is K, over hypotenuse, which is 35.2. So by multiplying each side by 35.2, we'll have the answer for K. And that's it for, when you type this in your calculator, you'll get the answer. And that's it for my help. I hope this video helped you to do your homework. And if you have questions, you can ask me via private message from Google Classroom. Thank you.